doing a YouTube video, and someone knocked at the door, guys. And it's a package, guys. So let's see what it is. Guys, my sister's home from gymnastics. Wow, we got a package. Oh. Guys, it's slime. So today we're going to be showing you this slime, I guess. So we're going to use this cookie dough, and it came with a lot of packing foam, and it came with a unicorn theme, came with this fart noise putty, came with this bracelet, came with this spray, came with all this stuff, and guys, this is the cookie dough flavor that looks like this, and it's so stretchy.
And this is the birthday cake flavor, and it's really smelly.
And this smells so good, guys, and it's so soft. Look at it. It's so soft. You can see those tiny little bits there. It looks so, it's so soft. And it's really it has really good smell, and also it has small little cookie dough chunks in it. And this one is the gummy bear ice cream, and I never really heard of a gummy bear ice cream, but it has like a charm in it, and it said there was supposed to be like, and also my mom said the package had like a gummy bear. And I'm trying to find the gummy bear, but it's not this. And the gummy bear might be right here. But we can't really find it because it probably went somewhere in the slime. But we can't really find it, so leave a comment down below if you saw it. It's definitely not this scene right here. This is not the gummy bear. Lila, tell them some more stuff about slime.
And it's really stretchy, and it has these like type of sprinkle things.
Yeah, it has sprinkles, and it's called the cake batter. And also, guys, this is the unicorn squishy. Comment down below if you have this slime at home. It also came with a lot of packing foam. And it came with this activator pen smelly thing. And it also came with this another slime that I never even saw. I'll tell them some stuff about this. Oh, and it also came with this small little slime, and it looks so, look at it, guys. It feels so crunchy and stuff. And it feels so good. Tell them some more stuff about that. Tell me some stuff about it. So he doesn't really know how to read, so it says Snow Fairy Cake, and it's kind of really it's really stretchy and stuff. Tell them some more about that.
It's kind of a watermelon-y strawberry scent. All of them smell and stuff. And
they smell really good.
Yeah, I don't think you can make bubbles with these type of slime because they're kind of like foam.
Yeah, they're kind of foamy, but
yeah,
they smell so good.
Yeah.
And this is probably the best slime ever, so.
If you think they smell good, comment down below.
And guys, also, make sure to subscribe and leave a like and click the notification bell to see all my videos. But it's probably so easy to see all my videos because I haven't made one of these, and this is probably my 9th video I made. So make sure to subscribe and all that stuff. And also comment down below if you have the slime. And also comment down below which slime you like the most out of these ones. The gummy bear ice cream, or this cloud slime, or the cake batter, or the cookie dough, or this unicorn, or the packing foam, or this fart slime stuff. Comment down below, and I'll put all of it down in the description about which ones you like them, about like all the options. Bye.
Bye.